Hi, good morning guys, Kelly here. Alright, I'm at KTM Tanjung Malim. Alright, and this beautiful morning on Christmas Day, we're going to hike Bukit Changkat Asa, which is located in Tanjung Malim. Alright, and yeah, this is, as you can see behind me. Alright, yeah, that should be the one, Changkat Asa. We are not going to park at the kampung area. We are parking at what they call KTM Tanjung Malim. I'll put the coordinates down here, alright, for you to come over here, because the KTM, it seems that there is two sites. So if you Google KTM Tanjung Malim, you might end up the other side of the train station instead of here. Alright, so park your car here instead of the kampung area, because the villagers might not like it. Alright, so it's better to park here and walk over to the trailhead. Alright, once you reach the trailhead, you can see later there will be tree bridge, I think. Alright, you cross over a bridge, and then yeah, you're basically crossing over Sungai Bernam, and then you're crossing over the border from Perak. Here you cross over the border to Selangor, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. Alright, so yep, I'm waiting for everyone to arrive, because it seems like they park the other side of the train station. And I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Ciao. Okay, looks like everyone is here. Okay, we are walking to the kampung area. You actually pass a motorbike, a go-kart, go-kart circuit on your left. Alright, when you turn left into the kampung area. Okay, after you reach that small bridge, right, you just need to turn right, and then you see a trail. You see another bigger bridge. That is Sungai Bernam. Alright, where you're crossing over to the Selangor border from the Perak border. Right, and I'm gonna change the direction of my cam. Check out. See. Okay, we pass through some plantation, corn, rambutan. Alright, and you walk straight. Now after the bridge, right, you'll see a second bridge, and you turn right, and yeah, you'll reach this place. Okay, nice. If I'm not wrong, right in front, there'll be a turning on the left. Because the last time I came here was probably more than 2 years ago. Not much have changed. Okay, let's carry on. Okay, 凉凉吗? 中凉凉吗? Did you do Google? Pokok Merah. My friend behind asking me what trees is this.
Pokok Merah,
I say Pokok Merah.
Hey, this is a scientific name, Pokok Merah. So I thought it away.
Yep, these are the red trees. Due to the climate now, it's not as red as last time when it's very hot season, dry. Very red one.
Angry.
Because it's like the skin peeling off, then it's become very red.
Sunburn.
Okay, come, let's go. Carry on. Uncle Sin, don't go so fast there. Make me look bad, man. Hey, why are you molesting that thing? My friend here, is this what you're trying to do? Eddie is molesting.
I've got skin problems.
Okay, once you reach the red tree section, you're almost at the viewpoint. You reach the viewpoint first, then another 5 minutes or so you can reach the peak. But what I remember, the peak there's not as much of view. Alright. There's a nice sign there that says that you have reached the peak. Okay. Front. See? Wow. Three trees. If you have went Bukit Batu Sawah in the Great Sembilan, the peak here is quite similar. Type of trees. Even here, if you're lucky, you can have some what they call cloud carpet formation, awan carpet. If it rains the day before. Okay mo? Mo Mantai. Uncle Sin. Eddie is behind walking here. Eddie used to be in the guerrilla warfare. I see he's wearing Vietnam t-shirt. Yay guys, we reached not the peak yet, but the viewpoint of Bukit Changkat Asa. Right, and we have a coffee there. Okay, alright guys, we left the viewpoint, cooked some coffee, and are heading to the peak. The peak you'll see a trick station, I think, a broken down old trick station, and the sign. From the viewpoint to the peak is about 5-10 minutes. Alright. We are descending down back to the car park. The stretch here, you see, is all rocks. Very slippery, so just careful a bit. Let's go. Alright guys, it's time to say goodbye. Yep, we have reached the car park. You can see it's only me because the rest of them they park the other side of the KTM. Alright, because some miscommunication in the morning. Alright, in the WhatsApp group there's some miscommunication. So yeah, only me. We're heading off to breakfast. Alright, just a little bit about Bukit Changkat Asa. So you know, if you want to come here, I think it's suitable even for kids, right? But of course you have to manually supervise them and carry them along the way. Some parts are a bit tough, but overall it's suitable for beginners. What I recorded today was only about 190 meters of elevation gain. Distance in total from the car park all the way until the peak.